Hi, welcome to EZGIT demo. In this demo, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use EZGIT with any of your favorite Git clients. So first I have here a sample repository that uses SSH certificates. So if I try to do a pull, it's not going to work because I don't have an SSH certificate in my computer. As you can see, I don't have access. So then it's as easy as going to my terminal and typing EZGIT and pressing enter. This is going to open a browser where it's going to ask me to log in with my Okta credentials, and then it was able to log in successfully. Now it's going to go to the server and it's going to ask for a certificate. Once the certificate is created, I can go back to using my favorite Git client and do a pull. And now it works. In this video, I used Git to show that you can work with from the most UI-based Git tool to the most primitive using command line to do a pull. This is because EZGIT injects the certificate into the SSH agent of the machine, allowing most Git tools to use it to authenticate to GitHub. Thanks for watching the demo, and I hope you enjoy it as much as we do.